Enforce the fact that we, regardless of what you hear, we still have limited access to testing in this community.
And that is the Mecklenburg County Health Director speaking about the county's ability to test people for coronavirus.
This afternoon, she said people should not just show up at the hospital if they think they have the virus. She said you need to call first. The county is getting just 3 tests at a time from the state. And once those are used up, then they will only get 3 more. Gibby Harris said the county would like, quote, significantly more tests, end quote, but hasn't heard from the state about them at this point. And we know testing has been a huge problem just getting them. The health department met this afternoon with leaders from Charlotte-Mecklenburg schools.
And moments ago, North Carolina health officials once again recommended schools don't have to close. Channel 9's Elsa Gillis talked to some parents who are concerned about all of this. Elsa.
Yeah, watching what's going on around our state, in South Carolina, around the country, has many people wondering whether our local schools will close. And closing schools would be a huge deal. CMS alone has nearly 150,000 students. So should the district close, it would have incredible ripple effects around the community. I know district officials have been having conversations about it and coming up with plans in the case they have to close. And the county health director said they would be meeting with the school system this afternoon to discuss moving forward. Gibby Harris said they have been looking at the guidance from the CDC. She said the CDC has said it has no guidance and no recommendation for closing schools at the state level, though she says everything can change quickly. She also said that at this point, from what we've seen from the CDC, closing schools for 2 to 3 weeks would not have much impact on slowing the spread of the virus, that it would need to happen for a much longer period to have a significant impact. State health officials just said in the last hour at this time they're not recommending the preemptive closure of schools, but things are changing rapidly. And it's stressful for many of the parents we spoke with today.
I definitely have to pick up on my daycare or take some time off of work. Right now I'm just trusting God everything work out so I don't have to go through that situation.
I think that they should cancel school. It can be tough for parents, with school closing, you don't have a babysitter, you have to go to work. So, it's difficult on both ends. But I think the number one priority right now is safety and to prevent this disease from spreading any further.
Now, from parents not being able to go to work if schools were to close, to kids relying on meals and internet to learn, there's a lot that goes into this decision. Erica.
And yes, Elsa, as a CMS parent, I've gotten emails talking about how they're looking into trying to make sure that children who don't have access to the internet and computers will be able to have that if they do, in fact, decide to cancel school.
Yeah, and again, even though we have heard from the state and the local health department, who right now they are not recommending that schools close, I do know that CMS is working behind the scenes to prepare in case they have to make sure kids have hotspots for internet, have Chromebooks, and have a way to get meals. Many kids rely on 2 meals a day in school every day.
All right, Elsa, thank you for that update.